Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small container for screws. You will also need a new battery compatible with the Conga 1790. It's important to work in a clean area to avoid losing any small parts. Start by turning off your Conga 1790 and unplugging it from the power source. Next, locate the screws on the device's base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in your container for safekeeping. After removing the screws, gently lift the cover to expose the internal components. This is a great time to clean any dust or debris inside the device with a soft cloth or a small vacuum. Keeping the interior clean helps maintain optimal performance. Now, you'll see the battery compartment. Disconnect the old battery by gently pulling out the connectors. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it to the same connectors. Make sure the connections are secure, as loose connections can lead to performance issues. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do it yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. After connecting the new battery, carefully place the cover back onto the device. Align the screw holes and replace the screws you took out earlier with your Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the threads. Once the screws are secure, turn your Conga 1790 back on and check if it operates correctly. If you encounter any issues, we recommend contacting us for a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, remember to dispose of the old battery properly, following local regulations. Keeping your device in good condition will prolong its lifespan, so consider scheduling regular maintenance checks. If you ever need assistance, know that there are no calls or travel needed. Our services are designed to be as straightforward as possible. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.